Guys, we're going to Bismarck. Magpunta kami ngayon sa Sam's. Yung Sam's is parang Cusco at saka SNR. Yep. Check natin kung anong meron doon. At saka bili naman ng grocery para baon sa mga bata. Alright, so let's go. Puna kami dito, nagpagas kami dito sa DFC. Kasi yung gas station dito sa Wishek, dalawa lang. DFC at saka Court. Pero medyo malinis yata itong yung DFC. Pero nagmahal siya ngayon. $2.89 po yung gasolina ngayon dito sa Wishek, North Dakota. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Bismarck na tayo! Welcome to Bismarck. Harating na natin dito sa Sam's, no? Check natin sa loob kung anong diferensya niya doon sa Costco at saka sa Aldi. Alright, so let's go. Alright. 17 na lang, oh. Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon. This is the Rose. Yeah. That's a Rose. This one's like Oklahoma. Julian. Yeah. Chopping board just only $19. It's nice. And have sale. EB. Samsung. Just only $797. OLED. And we have avocado oil, just only $11.98. Peanuts Virginia extra large peanuts sea salt is just only $5.98. And this one strawberry slice is just $8.48. This one keto cluster just only $10.98. Raisins Sunmade just only $9.78. Yep, dried mangoes just only $8.98. Chicharon fried pork ribs flavor, original flavor, just only $6.98. The kids love this one, cheese balls cheddar, just only $7.48. This one, it's nice. This one so delicious. It's $12.78. And the popcorn, some flour. And this one, butter lover, it's just $9.89. Fruity snacks Just only $10.78. Oreo now it's just Oreo it's $10.98. And this one M&M, and this one is the M&M with nuts. It's like $16.98. The Snickers mix. It's like $19.68. Cotton candy. It's $13.54. And you have 12 tubes. And this one. Nice. This one, it's a cooling pillow. It's just $19.89. It's very comfy. This one, towel for summer. Summer is ready now. Cinnamon roll hoodie towel is 1980 or 98 cents. This one, the shorts is already ready now for summer. It's very comfy, it's nice. And this one, for sure the kids love it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Okay. And this one, Harley sandals, just 23.45 cents. And the shoes, and this one, Samba for women. It's so nice. Drums, it's so nice. Just only $24. Alright, it's time to check out now. It's time to pay. Lining up. And after this one, bili tayo ng hot dog. Alright, so let's go. Hintay kami ngayon sa order namin. Yung parang Costco din na hot dog at saka pizza sa $1 lang and 50 cents, no? Same lang talaga siya. Yung Sam's Club, no? Parang Costco din na copycat. Yeah. Pero yung ano sa Costco, Clarkland. Dito naman members. So, are you happy, ate? It's the pizza. Kain tayo. And ate, hot dog. With each better? Costco or Sam's?
Both.
Alright. Yeah. Kain tayo. Woo. Okay. Ito na tayo nagtatapos sa vlog natin sa Sam's, no? So, sana nagustuhan niyo yung video ko. At saka pa-like na lang, at saka comment or subscribe, no? Para ma-update ko kayo sa anong bago nating ano. Alright, on Tribugnot at your service. Bye! Mia, oy! Mo extend ka, sir. Bless and love.